everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. Now some time ago, maybe a few weeks ago, I received a message from a JT Animated, who is a really talented artist over on Instagram, and they messaged me asking me if I was interested in some stickers. And I said of course, and he sent me a parcel, which was really generous of him. A little sort of envelope thingy, and here it is. So I think you should have a look at what's inside. But before we start, I would like to thank everyone for the positive feedback of the Jurassic World Trilogy Dinosaur Style Guide. All of us put a lot of effort into it, and I hope it shows. We're certainly proud of it, and I hope it helps everyone make their dream dinosaur figures, or paintings, or drawings, or just reference in general. Anyway, let's get back to this and have a look at what's inside. Okay, I think that's everything. Okay, so it looks like we've got a note and a few stickers. There we go, let's have a look at the note. Hello Marco, here are your samples. Thank you for taking this opportunity. I'm such a huge fan of your project. Oh, these stickers are prototypes of my future shop. During the time you get this, I will be making more stickers and new artworks to try out. This is just the beginning. From JT Animated Stickers. As these are prototypes, I expect the brand new stuff that he's working on to be really amazing, because I've seen some of these. If these are prototypes and they look this good, I can't wait to see what he's doing. So, which one should we go with first? Let's start with this one. Oh, look! Oh, that's cool. These are all sort of handmade stickers. I'm guessing this is, they've got a sticker machine at home or wherever they're using or wherever they work. But this looks amazing. Look at that drawing. It looks so good. It looks just like the JP Raptors. Now, usually JP Raptors or just dinosaurs in general can look a bit goofy looking from the front, but this one looks just plain cool. It looks amazing. I don't even know where to put these. I've got my guitar case I usually stick things on, so maybe that, but we'll see. I don't want these to get ruined, to be honest. Let's have a look at number 2. Which one should we go with? This one. Oh, it's a mosasaur. This looks really nice. Look at that. I love this style. It doesn't have too much detailing, like you can't see all the scales and stuff, so it's not overwhelming to look at. It just looks really pretty and I love it. Look at that. Looks great. Again, I don't really know if I want to stick these anywhere because they're so pretty. I should probably get some sort of scrapbook and maybe stick everything in that one, which is probably going to be like a sticker collection or something. I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do with these, because these are too pretty to be used somewhere like on a guitar case, because they're just going to get ruined. Which one should we go with next? Well, I think we'll keep the experiment for last. So maybe let's go with this one now. Oh, look at that. That's the buck. And it looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. It looks spot on. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. It's got the throat pouch thing there. The really nice sort of detail around the eye. It's got the right patterns. It's perfect. Yeah, I'm definitely not putting these on my guitar case. That looks beautiful. And then there's 2 left. As I said, we'll keep the experiment last. So this seems to be like the same thing, but different. Or maybe the same, we'll see. And voila. Hey, look at that T-Rex. This is obviously a JP Rex. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be the doe or the JP1 Rex. I'm gonna go with the doe because it's a bit more orangey, but then you don't really see many patterns. I don't know, it could be both, but I'm gonna go with the doe. This looks really good though. And it rhymes. Wow. And there's some scale detail there too, but it's done so tastefully. It looks amazing. So I wonder what this experiment is. Well, we're gonna find out now. Hey. Okay, so I'm guessing the experiment is cutting around the teeth and all the shape instead of having a white border, which is a lot of work. I'm pretty sure there's a machine called Cut machine, which cuts all the stickers out. You can program it to cut whatever shape. But I think this is done by hand, which is even crazier. If you want to be a little bit less overwhelmed with work, JT Animated, I recommend maybe getting one of those. You have done an amazing job at cutting this out. I can't even imagine how tedious it is. So I hope that Cut machine might help in the future. But these are amazing. Wow. All right, which one's your favorite, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? I don't know which one is my favorite. Which one is my favorite? I don't know, I like them all. I think maybe the buck though might be my favorite. I don't know, they're all so good. I just have a little thing for the buck though. He looks so cool. But they all do look really cool. So if these are just the start of his sticker endeavors, then I can't wait to see what he comes up with in the future, because these look amazing. So if you haven't yet, now's a good time to go and follow JT Animated on their social media platforms. I follow them on Instagram. I'm not sure if there's any others, but every single one of their posts is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful work. So he's got 2 accounts. One is JT Animated, and the other account is JT Stickers, which I think the JT Stickers is just going to be solely dedicated to these. So if you follow both, you'll know exactly when and which designs will be released. So yeah, I'm going to leave all the links in the description. And thanks again for sending all of these. They look amazing. So I think I'll catch you in the next one. And go get yourself some stickers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
I would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps.